Hey guys, this is Josh from the Ill-Equipped Kitchen here. Today we're making leftover meals. We're using what we have left over from our pork and rice. We've bought a couple of other ingredients and we're going to be making beautiful fresh spring rolls. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for the spring rolls. Rice noodles, pork, Thai basil, mint, garlic, a mango and some rice paper sheets. And here's what you're going to need for the sauce. Ginger, spring onions, fish sauce, limes, some brown sugar, something to spice it up. I'm using the chili paste that we made a couple of weeks back, and some peanuts. Okay, let's get all of this stuff prepared. Okay, so we've got everything ready now. We're gonna start with the sauce, but I'm gonna walk you through what I've done here. I've thinly sliced and fried off our pork, so that's gonna be the first thing to go in the spring roll. What I've also done is sliced up the mango, taken off the leaves, the mint, and the Thai basil. That stayed as it is. I've got a hot thing of water here that I'm gonna be able to douse these in, and then they'll go nice and soft and be totally pliable for me. For the sauce, we've juiced 2 limes, we've got about a tablespoon's worth of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons worth of nuts that are toasted. I'm gonna start by crushing these up. So we just want a light crush, but just to break them up enough. We're gonna put our sugar into our bowl alongside our lime juice and an equal amount of fish sauce to your lime juice. And we're gonna just whisk that up until the sugar has dissolved. We've minced up 2 big cloves of garlic, that goes in too. We've minced up a small thumb of ginger, that's gonna go in too. Spring onions, that's probably, I've used the big ones, but that's probably worth about 2 good spring onions, maybe 3. You can just eyeball it, it's okay. And our chili paste that we made a little while ago, that's gonna go in there. About a teaspoon, but again, that's up to you. I think it should be a bit spicier. Okay, so I'm gonna mix that up in, and it's gonna be this thick, pongy sauce that we're gonna be able to just dunk our spring rolls in. Okay, let's give that a taste. Wow, yeah, that's great. Oh, I nearly forgot. Put your nuts in there. Stir that in as well. At this point, I'm gonna just let it down with a little bit of water, just because it's a bit thick. We do want it to be a sauce. Let's try that again. That's much better. The water's just let it down a little bit and the nuts are super delicious. So now that we've got our sauce, we can get on with making our spring rolls. So let's move all this to the side. Okay, so the board's nice and clean now. We're gonna get one of our rice papers and we're just gonna move it around in the water until it goes jellified, trying making so it doesn't stick to itself. Then we're gonna pop it on the board. And working relatively quickly, we wanna grab a piece of our pork on the bottom, and then we're gonna go big on the herbs, stuff those in like that. A slice of the mango and a big bunch of these rice noodles. And then you fold one side over, the other side over, and then you just wrap that together. And then you do that a bunch more times. Bring it in, almost like you do in like a burrito or something. Oh no, I totally fucked that one. Okay, we'll start that one again. 4 more times, and then you'll have something that looks like this. How lovely is that? This is a lovely, simple little recipe. It takes next to no time at all, not a huge amount of ingredients. A little thing that I've noticed with these ones when I was making them, less is more. Use less, they'll come out better, they'll come out prettier. These are my earlier ones, this is one of my later ones. Look at how pretty this baby is. That is absolutely delicious. All that needs to be done now is get one of these big bad boys, dip it in our sauce. Yeah! Make these. I'm gonna eat another one. But yeah, guys, make this, enjoy yourselves, have some beers with mates, like, comment, subscribe, do all those kind of things. Catch you next time.